In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design device mockups and apply perspective transforms in PowerPoint. We'll build a clean, realistic device mockup entirely inside PowerPoint, then give your screen content a convincing perspective so it looks like it truly lives on the device. This is perfect for showcasing apps, dashboards, or slides inside a smartphone, tablet, or laptop frame. Start by inserting your device. Go to Insert. Then choose either Shapes or Pictures. If you're using Shapes, pick a device-style rectangle or rounded rectangle and style it to resemble a phone or tablet. If you already have a device image, insert it as a picture. Resize using the corner handles so you don't distort it. A quick tip: zoom in a bit while placing the device so small misalignments don't sneak in. Next, add the content that will appear on the screen. This could be a screenshot, a chart, or even another slide's content copied and pasted. Place it directly on top of the device, roughly over the screen area. If it disappears behind the device, bring it to the front. Use the corner handles to scale it and nudge with your arrow keys to position it tightly within the frame. The closer the fit, the more believable your mockup will look. Now give that content some dimensionality. Select the content layer, go to Format, then Edit Shape, and choose Transform, followed by one of the perspective options. This will add skew or perspective so your content matches the visual angle of the device. Pick the perspective that best mirrors the way your device is oriented, then fine-tune. Don't overdo it. Subtle perspective often looks the most realistic. To perfect the fit, adjust rotation and size. Use the rotation handle to align the content with the device edges, then scale gently until the corners land right inside the frame. Zoom in and follow the bezels closely. A small tweak at high zoom makes a big difference when you zoom back out. For added realism, apply a shadow or reflection. With the device or the content selected, go to Format, choose Shape Effects, then Shadow or Reflection. Keep shadows soft with moderate transparency so they suggest depth without looking harsh. If you use reflections, keep them faint, like a light sheen. Finally, select everything, the device and the screen content, and group them. Press Ctrl+G to lock them together. Grouping lets you move and resize the mockup as a single unit, preserving your careful alignment and effects. And that's it. You now have a polished, perspective-true device mockup you can drop into any presentation with confidence.